Good morning. Effect of technology on human life. Melissa Alian Alvarez. With technology, we can design strategy to achieve what we set out to do. With access to information, we can find information very easy and very quick on any topic in the world. We find information thanks to the different tools have within in it. Seamless innovation. Technology allows us to do things that we did not think possible before. Thank you to it we must and have access to programs that help us carry out activities and other projects. Facilities communication. This is a very important point in the world talk about and great advance for humanity. Progress has been gratified because technology has changed the life of human beings. Facilities education progress. With house technology, virtual class would not have been possible. In the face of the pandemic, technology was the fundamental pillar for communication and for our children in craft new sources of work on the one of the time that develops the most in the last 2 years. This was the development of the last year so that we have access to education and work. Thank you.